Hey there! Today I'm showing you a new feature that will allow our support people to better help on your event. This video is more towards the white label partners, but it's also important for everybody to understand how this works because you need to deactivate it if you don't want our support people to access your event. So as a white label instance owner, you can manage the users that have access to your event. So you can see my user here, or you can add a new user. By adding a new user here, just add one email. You need to put the first name, last name, and you need to select which right the user has. You can have admin users manager, so they can manage all the users. They can manage the coupons, the icons, they manage the template of emails, check the stats on your instance. And the last one that has recently been introduced is the customer support. If a user has this role assigned, he will be able to grant himself host rights to any event that allows customer support to access it. So let's just activate all of them for these users just for you to see, and you can see here the roles that the user has been granted. Now how can support person access to an event? So let's first create an event with a different user. So I'm creating a new event, and you can see at the bottom that there's a new checkbox here. Allow support team to access this event in case of need. If this box is selected, any user that has the role customer support is able to grant himself host rights into that event. We strongly suggest you to keep this checkbox activated, because this way we will be able to help your users, your attendees on your event in case they interact with us on our support chat. So let's just create this event and copy the ID of the event and come back to my other user. I have full power, full rights on this instance. So let's just try to see if I can enter this event. It gives me access denied, but I have the support customer support role. So I can come here and say I want to access this event. You can put this one, or you can copy the full address of the event and you request access. Now it's verifying that I have the correct role. The event has the access, allows customer support to access it, and now I've been granted host access, and I can open it in the cockpit and support your attendees in case of need. We hope this will help us to faster support your events, and it also help all our white label partners to better manage the events on their own instance. As always, just let us know if you have any feedback, and wish you a good day.